Stop. You have been eating hazelnuts the wrong way your entire life. Most of you only experience this incredible nut when it's drowned in chocolate spread or sugary coffee syrups, but you are actually missing out on one of nature's most powerful weapons against cellular aging. Today, we are going to crack the code on the cob nut to show you how to unlock its massive folate reserves and turn it into a shield for your heart and your DNA. Long before it became the world's favorite dessert companion, the hazelnut was a symbol of wisdom and inspiration in ancient Celtic and Roman mythology. In Ireland, 9 hazel trees were said to guard a sacred pool of knowledge, dropping their nuts into the water to be eaten by salmon. While the folklore is enchanting, the biological reality is even more impressive. Hazelnuts are one of the few nuts that were a primary survival food for early humans across Europe and Asia, thanks to their incredible shelf life and dense concentration of fat-soluble antioxidants. What truly sets the hazelnut apart from its cousins is its extraordinary level of folate, also known as vitamin B9. While most nuts offer very little, a single serving of hazelnuts provides a significant portion of your daily requirement. This is critical for DNA synthesis and repair, making it a vital food for cellular longevity and healthy pregnancy. Furthermore, hazelnuts are packed with proanthocyanidins, the same powerful tannins found in red wine and green tea, which strengthen your blood vessels and improve circulation to your brain. The biological impact of a proper hazelnut habit is a game changer for your cardiovascular system. They're loaded with oleic acid and manganese, a trace mineral that acts as a cofactor for the antioxidant enzyme superoxide dismutase. This enzyme is your body's heavy artillery against free radicals, protecting your mitochondria from damage. Regular consumption has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation and lower oxidative stress, effectively slowing down the biological clock of your internal organs. But here is where the industry leads you astray. Most hazelnut-flavored products contain 0 actual hazelnuts, and the ones that do are often roasted at extreme temperatures that destroy the delicate folate and oxidize the healthy fats. Even worse, many commercial hazelnuts are sold without their skins. Research has proven that the thin, bitter skin of the hazelnut contains the highest concentration of antioxidants, nearly 10 times more than the kernel itself. If you're eating them skinless, you're throwing away 90% of the nut's protective power. When you're at the market, look for raw, organic hazelnuts with the skin firmly attached. The shells should be a deep, glossy brown and free from any tiny holes, which could indicate insect activity. Because of their high vitamin E and folate content, hazelnuts are sensitive to light and heat. Once you bring them home, do not keep them in a decorative bowl on the table. To prevent the oils from turning rancid and to keep the B vitamins intact, store them in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator or freezer. This preserves that distinct, earthy, sweet flavor and ensures every bite is a dose of cellular medicine. In conclusion, the hazelnut is not just a flavor for your latte, it's a profound source of DNA-protecting nutrients. By choosing raw, skin-on hazelnuts and storing them in the cold, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair itself and thrive. Stop settling for processed imitations and start fueling your system with the ancient wisdom of the hazelnut. Your cells will thank you for the upgrade.